So again, doing a problem like this, ladies and gentlemen, we need to know where is the angle, and then we need to know what is the point on the unit circle. So first of all, pi thirds, again, we know halfway around is pi. Since my denominator is 3, I'm going to rewrite that as 3 pi over 3. So a third of that, so if I broke this up into thirds, this would be 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3. So it's just right there, right? Pi thirds. So that's my angle. Then I need to say, well, what was my angle on the unit circle for pi thirds? Well, if you guys remember, that was that high point up there. Pi over 3 is the same thing as 60 degrees. And if you guys remember, that top point was 1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2. Right? Remember when I just wrote out the unit circle? I wrote in those points. So it kind of comes back to, OK, that's that point. So now what we need to do is evaluate for the sine of t, the cosine of t, and the tangent of t. So if you guys remember, when a point is on the unit circle, that means when we have an angle that gives us a point on the unit circle, the sine of our angle is equal to the y-coordinate of that point. So remember, a coordinate is written as an x and a y. So the y-coordinate is just square root of 3 over 2. Cosine is equal to x, which is 1/2. Tangent is y over x, which in this case is going to be square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2. Now, I'll show you guys the work for this. Hopefully, you guys will kind of see that, oh, the 2's just kind of eliminate out. But remember, when you have a fraction divided by another fraction, multiply by the reciprocal. So therefore, that multiplies to 1. Those divide to 1. And we're just left with the square root of 3. Questions? Broken with this? Yes?
This is kind of for the
reciprocals?
Yeah.
Well,
What do you do for cotangent?
let's do, well, you would just do x over y. But I'll do an example of that next. OK? Everybody say, I got my answers? Any questions?